What's up everyone, Sueded here at UTV Source, and this is a 2022 Can-Am Defender HD10 Crew Max Limited Edition. Now, this thing's pretty fancy, and I'd like to get into this before we even go over the whole build. One of the biggest features is this right here. Previous models couldn't do this. Couldn't roll down the rear window. And it sounds kind of cheesy and lame, but you know, it's a change like this in a model that makes it more appealing to a lot of other buyers out there. One of the biggest gripes we have our UTV Source Can-Am build, which you guys can watch on this YouTube channel as well, was that you couldn't roll down the back window. It popped out like a I don't know, 30-degree angle, kind of sucked. People couldn't yell at the friends, they couldn't roll down the window, hang their arm out. You know, it was rad, but this is so much better. This really is. It's got a cool color. This is a limited edition. It comes with a winch, front bumper. It's a pretty sick little machine right out of the box, super capable. But we got a phone call to build it. So Ryan Wescott contacted us at UTV Source and asked if we could do this for him. So I know personally, I was like, heck yeah, let's get into it, bro. Let's do it. What do you want to do? And he really didn't know what he wanted. So we went over the build that we did for ourselves, and we got to put some of those parts on. So let's get into it. This thing's pretty sick. Okay, so the biggest upgrade and the first upgrade done for Ryan was that right there. That's where the fun happens. Now, the Defender's a cool platform. It's not very fast. It'll get the job done for sure. But when you throw like forced turbo systems on a Defender or a Ranger, it really wakes them up. Like, it's got a lot of scoot. It is a Garrett ball bearing turbo systems. It's completely 100% bolt on. We took it a step further and we added 60-pound injectors. Everything's stainless on it. It's a really pretty system. It's complete as well. Again, 100% bolt on. It's pretty dope. It sounds amazing. So let's turn it on. What's up everyone? It's pretty quiet here. The turbo has a really nice exhaust note to it. You do get to hear a little bit of the blow off, and it definitely makes a ton of power. So let's go outside. It's not too loud, guys. They did a really nice job on the kit, but let's give her some gas. Force turbo kit, made in the USA, out of Utah. Great upgrade. Second upgrade, it's the HCR Suspension Kit for this. Now, I want to talk about this real quick. So you don't have to get the complete kit. We went with the complete kit on this. You can get the +2 forward kit from HCR. It's on the website at UTV Source. And basically what it does, well, it pushes the front end forward 2 inches. It's all TIG welded, boxed internally, gusseted, overlay plated on all the pickup points for your shocks. We went with a purple illusion with a teal flake. And in the sun, this thing pops. All the hardware is included. It's again 100% bolt on. Really nice kit. Now, you have the option to use factory ball joints or upgrade. There's a lot of selections on the website for ball joints. We ultimately went with the UTV rebuildable heat-treated ball joint. It's a huge upgrade over stock. It's rebuildable. You can actually take that billet cap off right here and grease it, or turn it down and adjust all the slop out of your ball joints. So as they do wear or the grease starts to fall out of it, you can pump it up with more grease and take the slop right out of it. So this is the +2 kit up front. Just kind of moves everything forward just enough so we can clear some bigger tires, right? More power, we want bigger tires. This is the GBC Parallax. It's a 32x10 R15. This is a great tire for the street and the dirt and the rocks. and they're mounted on a set of Beadlock Metal FX wheels in a silver machine finish. They're available in different colors as well, and different offsets. This is the 4+3 4-lug, and they're made for all makes and models. All right, so let's look at the back. So if you order just the front kit, the +2 kit, you can get that, or you can pair it with a complete kit like we did here. Check it out. Now the rear kit, again, is boxed. It retains the factory sway bar. Again, 100% bolt-on. Really nice kit. Now, you're not really gaining anything other than durability on this kit on the rear. It looks amazing, it's not gonna break. All the components are included, all your crush sleeves and Durling bushings go in. It comes with great directions, and these are not stock shocks. So, retains the factory axles as well. We took it a step further and we went with the ZBroz Exit Racing shocks. So it's a big deal, guys. It's one coil spring on a nitrogen and oil filled shock. It is rebuildable, it is adjustable as well. It's got a bottoming out cushion in there as well. You select your ride height on the top versus the bottom. Very easy to do on this as well. You just jack up the machine, loosen it up right here on the Allen head, and twist it down. That's gonna give you more ride height or allow for more weight. We upgraded to the remote reservoir. So this is pretty cool. It comes with everything. It has a clicker for soft or hard, which is really nice. Comes in handy. Pretty cool setup. Comes with the billet machine clamps as well. And I just drilled and tapped them. It's a great upgrade. They're not very expensive. And they're available for different makes and models and applications as well. So let's take a look at the front shocks. Basically the same thing, not a reservoir. There's not a lot of room up here. So we went with the Reservoir Piggyback. The Piggyback, basically it's the shock and reservoir are together. The adjuster is up here, and it still has the same settings, soft and hard. Now you can select a ride height on it and how firm or how soft you want this machine to react to what you're taking it out in. So looks pretty dope. The inside, no big change, right? Now, this is the tuner that comes with the Force Turbo Kit. So we're monitoring all the parameters in here, and it also helps us data log everything as well. So if we want to make some changes, we can. It's a pretty simple process, and it's pretty convenient. Now this is the final upgrade we did for Ryan. This is the Assault Industries steering wheel. There's a ton of different options available when you're shopping for steering wheels. We went with Suede. It feels good. It's a little bit thicker than the OEM. The OEM steering wheel is like, it's okay. It's really not though, because it's like plastic, and no one really wants to hold on to plastic when they're out enjoying your ride. So we went black with a gray stitch on Suede. I said you can get it in leather as well. Different colors are available. Different backing plates are available as well. I left the backing plate out on this. I just thought it looks clean this way. Now, when you're ordering a steering wheel, it's important to note that you're gonna need a hub adapter. So we went with the Assault Industries hub adapter. It turned out pretty good. It feels great. It looks good. And just kind of cleans up the rest of the inside. All right, so that's a wrap on Ryan Wescott's 2022 Can-Am Defender HD10 Crew Max. We kept it clean, we kept it classy. They're gonna be using it to get groceries and cruise around the neighborhood. So that's pretty dope. They're street legal. They can roll the windows down now. It's got a turbo, it's got suspension, it's got new shocks, larger wheels and tires. It looks amazing, it drives great. What do you guys think? Drop a comment and leave us a like, guys. Remember to continue to follow us on Instagram at UTV Source in the stories. Ton of stuff happening there all the time until the bankers go down, and we get to do a lot of builds in there. Remember, guys, life's a ride. Make it your own. See you next one.